Electro-Anarchy.
Alright, now we've got everything hooked up. We've got everything plugged in. It took me quite a while to get everything to work on this thing. Had to move around what I'm considering in my mind the ground part of it, but it's basically where you put your ground to where the keyboard, the bottom layer goes. For example, on this strip right here where the original contacts were for the keyboard, there's two sheets. There's one side here that is basically what goes through to the top of your key presses. Alright, now the bottom side, which is your receiving side, are these right here. Now if you notice, these first ones are blank because these line up with those, and when it connects to the actual board, you know, all these connect up, but these, as I understand, basically are like rows and columns. So when you hit a key here, it'll be like here and here, and you hit another one, it might be another third one and over in here, so you can get your multiple keys. So what I did was I kept jumping until I got one of these that would match all of these and would show up on as key presses and, you know, on a normal keyboard. That was a little tough. I think he ended up with like the fourth one over or fifth one over, one of the two. But I was worried I was going to run out because there's only, what is this, like there's 7 of them. So yeah, I wasn't too much further away from running out, but got it anyway, got it done. So got all this hooked up, got all these plugged into the keyboard here, and are plugged into the adapter here, and it's all done, all hooked up. So got everything here, so let me see if I can get everything to where everybody can see everything. So I'm going to set this up here, move up here. Okay, so we got that. Give it some power. Alright, and we're running at 3 volts. And anytime, the way I was testing this, anytime I hit a key press, I'd either hit 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.02 amps. So every time I hit a key, it would give me a response. As long as the Bluetooth wasn't hooked up, it would do that. So let's go over here, show you how you can test this. Now I'm sure the majority of you guys will be using Windows. I don't, unfortunately. Or you might be using Apple. Again, I don't. But most modern operating systems are going to have something that's going to show you what your key presses are. So let's see if we can get this all together here. Here we go. Alright, so we go joystick up, and we're showing the number 2 keypad down. Okay, we go down, it's showing number 1. Go left, and well, number 3. Okay, right is shift, button enter, L, J, F, K, S, A, D. So when we go into configure MAME, I'll write all these down, and then we'll go in configure MAME and put all those in there, and then this can act like a keyboard running through Bluetooth, and you don't have any extra wiring, so all the extra ports on the Raspberry Pi can be used for LEDs, additional inputs, capacitive touch sensors, who knows. But alright, we continue.